I'm here today with my friend Millette.
Hi.
And today we are going to be making some healthy back-to-school breakfast.
Let's get started.
So for our first recipe, we are going to be...
Give me 1 second, guys.
So for our first recipe, we are going to be making some breakfast sandwiches. For our first recipe, we are going to be making some breakfast sandwiches. For our first recipe, we are going to be making some breakfast sandwiches.
We're gonna need some scrambled eggs,
Some ham,
toast,
and finally some cheese of your choice. You're also going to want to make sure that before you start assembling your sandwich that you have toasted your bread and your egg has been cooked.
yes. You're gonna need the bread first, or toast.
It's okay.
So you take the toast first and toast it. You're gonna need some toast. What should I say? Let's take your toast.
I don't know.
Start off, you're gonna take your toast and place your cheese on it.
You're then going to add on 1 to 2 slices of ham.
And you're gonna take your eggs and you're gonna just lay it on top of the ham.
This is very precise.
Yes.
I know, I just like throw mine on.
No.
I should have gotten a bigger spoon. I'm sorry.
It's okay, you know. We're just making our way. There we
There
go.
you go.
Yeah.
And then finally, to top it off, you're just gonna
Where
take
about
your
the
toast.
ham?
Well, I don't know. I said 1 to 2 pieces.
We need both.
There we go. That stabilizes it a bit.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna take your bread and boosh, breakfast sandwich.
There you go. For our second recipe, we're making a smoothie bowl.
To make the smoothie, you're going to need a frozen banana,
A half cup of almond milk or any milk of your choice,
a 1/4 cup of frozen mango,
and a 1/4 cup of frozen peaches.
and then to make the smoothie bowl, you're simply just going to add in all of your ingredients.
Once you have all the ingredients inside the container, you are
Just
ready to
blend
blend
them.
it. Yeah. Now, once it has been thoroughly blended, you pour it into a serving bowl.
And so, once it is in your bowl, you get to start decorating. So you're just going to lay on all these different fruits however you want. We have
Raspberries,
some honey roasted almonds.
and bananas.
You just lay them on there however you want. Ta-da! That is it. This is what it looks like when it's done, and it's super delicious and super nutritious. So on to our final recipe. For our third and final recipe, we have a healthy mug cake. Now this is obviously still a mug cake, so like it's not going to be like super duper healthy. It's not like, you know, kale salad or something, but it's better than like other mug cakes. It's still a great way to start your morning. So for this, you're going to need a 1/2 tablespoon of honey,
A tablespoon of pumpkin puree,
a 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and a pinch of salt,
a very small handful of craisins, and if you don't like craisins, anything else or nothing at all,
1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder,
and 2 tablespoons of flour.
and then your final ingredient is just 1 egg yolk.
Yes. This recipe is very simple. You mix all the ingredients except the craisins.
Your craisins are kind of act like your little hidden gems. Just like in a, you know, chocolate chip cookie, you have the chocolate chips scattered throughout. We have craisins instead.
Yes.
And guys, look at our mug. It's so cute. It's a little whale. It's got a little tail too. It's adorable. So yeah, let's just start mixing it together. Millette, I think that our mug is too big for our mug cake.
Definitely okay. Use any one you want.
Look at it. It goes up to like here.
Very cute. Very cute. Put ice cream on top. Make it even more unhealthy.
Exactly. You know, apparently there was a study once that like people who ate ice cream for breakfast were more successful. So I think that's a great idea. Whoa. I feel like we could be on like the Holiday Baking Championship or like the Great British Baking Show. Like boom, 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 boom. That's right, whipping our mug cakes.
And it turned out like caramel.
Oh, good. It smells like pumpkin. We tried it yesterday. This is a good recipe, guys. High quality.
Now that you have thoroughly mixed your ingredients, you add the craisins and lightly mix it in. Oh, you want me to do it?
I mean, I can do it. Just
yeah, it could somehow. And once you have finished that up, put it in the microwave for
a minute.
Yes, a minute. It's exciting. Yeah. Okay.
Well, I dare you to smell it.
Oh.
Doesn't it burn? It's like the steam like gets up
like
your
that.
nostrils and into your brain.
Okay.
Anywho, that is it. Ta-da! He's like our little lumpy baby.
Lumpy baby.
We're naming him Paul.
Paul. Yes, Paul.
And then we're going to consume him.
Yes.
Anywho. That is it for today, guys. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. Millette, do you have any final words?
No, I'm good. Thank you for having me on the show.
Or
whatever it is.
Millette, you're like one of my favorite people.
Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more.
And then also if you want to follow us on social media, which Millette will hopefully be featured on our social media, so you can check her out too. She'll be on there soon, probably.
Hopefully.
We'll go take some artsy photos.
Yes,
we'll get some of her on there. And that is all linked in the description box below. We've got a lot of fun stuff. Pinterest, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, we got it all. So make sure you look at that. And that is it.
Yes.
Bye.